Hey Ryan, recently found your channel and I'm a big fan. Thanks for doing what you do. I'm a new investor in Northern Kentucky. Nice. Welcome. My question is about building a team and networking. I read a lot. How should you be talking to local property managers, whether or not you plan to use them? Is it normal for property managers to get calls from investors with 0 to 1 houses and to talk to them? Or is this advice more about networking with property managers at real estate investors? So it's tough, and you kind of have to be respectful. And when you have, 0 to 1 doors, you definitely want to be respectful of their time, since a lot of the people that are going to be in this team are paid on like a commission only basis. So they're not going to get paid for their time in talking to you until you get a property. And then if it's just one property, the amount of money that they make is going to be pretty slim compared to, if somebody with like 10 or 20 properties came in and started asking them questions. So one of the best things that I think that you could do is, yes, network, yes, go to the RIAs and try to figure out a way to provide some sort of value to them. So that's what I did with like the insurance. So I got my property and casualty license and kind of built a business around providing insurance to real estate investors, because it's really difficult to get good insurance as a real estate investor. Building a team, you should definitely do it, but at the same time, I would try to figure out ways that you can help them rather than just have them kind of, pouring information into you, because it's just a tall ask. And I know a lot of people that are in these commission only positions get a little bit burnt out talking to people with like 0 to 1 properties. One of the red flags that I would say for property managers that I would look out for is just make sure that there's no like contract termination fee. That's a red flag to me. Like if the two people don't like working together, you should just be able to, you know, cancel that contract. You shouldn't have to pay a fee, or lock in anything.
Thanks for watching that clip. I thought that was a good question. And I think you can ask good questions too. Join us every Friday morning at 8 a.m. Eastern Standard Time for a live stream Q&A where we answer plenty of questions just like this one. In the meantime, consider subscribing to the channel if you want more of this content. And if you want to increase your deal flow, analyze properties better, and help me feed my family, click the link below for a free 7-day trial of PropStream.